Alright, so I'm at school right now and I didn't make an intro earlier because I'm almost late. I just only have one subject today. Decided to not have a session today. And later I'll be training those. After that, I'm gonna go meet with my best friend because we're having a dinner together. But I'm gonna catch you guys later when I go back home. Alright, so boom. I'm at home now and I'm just literally just woke up. But maybe I'm just gonna have a quick workout before meeting my best friend because today we're gonna have a dinner. But before that, I have something to clarify to all of you guys. I've seen this comment of my boy Benedict and it made me realize that I need to clarify to all of you guys that I am doing a demo trading, not a live trading yet. Because right now I'm just testing my analysis, and if that analysis works and it turns me profitable in a demo trading, I'm gonna buy a funded account and pass those challenge and hopefully we will get funded. So I just wanna say this right now to avoid misconceptions on the future. So big shout out to you, Benedict. You're a real one and I appreciate you a lot, Triple OG. Without further ado, I'm just gonna do my quick workout, and after that I'm gonna get ready to meet my brother and have some dinner, and after that I'm gonna go to the market and look for some good setups. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Alright, so boom, I didn't take a trade yesterday because me and my best friends do a lot of stuff last night and I'm also a bit drunk. But now I'm gonna lock in on the chart and look for some good setups and stick with my trading plan. But later, I'm about to go to pool and beach to refresh my mind, and I'll see you guys later. Hey, by the way, I'm about to go to the grocery store right now because I'm gonna shoot a content for my business, my food business. So later, y'all gonna see some crazy shit of me cooking. So, you. This is all we need.
Pangit ka dyan. Huwag mo kasali.
Ano? Hindi. Walang rumble.
Laki.
Joy, joy. Alright, so we are in the market right now on Doge, and right now we're currently bullish because we sweep this liquidity right here and break the structure over there. I didn't catch this trade, so that's why I'm looking for some fair value gap and waited for the price will taps into that, and after that I put some equilibrium, then look for some bullish candle on the 1 minute time frame. And yeah, I'm gonna update you guys if this trade will won. And I'm just targeting this order block right here, as you can see, and I hope that price will taps into that and win this trade. Alright, so our analysis is wrong today because I thought that the price will hit into this order block right here, but yeah, it is what it is, and I'm done right now. I'm not gonna overtrade. I'm just gonna stick with my trading plan, just one trade in a day. But yeah, it's still a win for us because we have something to learn today, and I will do better tomorrow. So that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys for the next one. Peace out.